Hello and welcome to the certificate course on Data Analytics with Python, Foundations and Applications. This course is designed to introduce you to the exciting world of data analytics using Python, one of the most powerful and popular programming language today. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone simply curious about data science, this course will provide you with the essential skill needed to manipulate, analyze, and visualize the data. Over the span of 10 weeks from September 10, 2024 to November 15, 2024, you will dive deep into the key topics like Python programming, data wrangling with Pandas, data visualization with the Matplotlib and C4, statistical analysis, and even basic machine learning techniques. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence and hands-on experience to apply data analysis in real-world scenario, including health, business, finance, and social media. This course is entirely online, giving you the flexibility to learn at your own pace. You will have access to pre-recorded video lectures, participate in live questioning and answering sessions with expert, and engage with peers through our interactive discussion forum. With self-paced learning, you can manage your schedule while working through assignments, quizzes, and final project. Our goal is to ensure you that understand the basics of Python programming, master data manipulation and analyze using Python libraries like Pandas, apply statistical method to real-world data, visualize data with the popular tools such as Matplotlib and C4, gain hands-on experience with the project in the field of health science, business analytics, social science, and many more. This course is open to undergraduate students currently enrolled in any academic program, professionals aiming to boost their data analysis skill, anyone with a basic understanding of the programming who is eager to dive into the world of data science. If you are from health science, environmental science, or other related field, this course will give you the tools to apply data analysis technique to your studies and research. To complete this course, you will need to dedicate about 4 hours per week to lectures, assignments, and projects. Don't worry, we will guide you through installing Python and its libraries. And while it is beneficial to have basic programming and statistical knowledge, you don't need to be an expert to get started. We are proud to bring you a team of esteemed instructors who are expert in their field. Dr. Meherchand from the Department of Mathematics, Baba Farid College, Bathinda, India. Professor Pooja, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sharda University, Uzbekistan. Dr. Aparna Kumari, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Institute of Technology, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, India. Dr. Upinder Kaur, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Akal University, Bathinda, India. Dr. Parijata Majumdar from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, India. Their expertise will guide you every step of the way, ensuring a comprehensive and enriching learning experience. We are thrilled to have you join us for this journey into the world of data analytics. By the end of the course, you will be equipped with the skills and confidence to analyze data and drive informed decision in various industries. Thank you for choosing data analytics with the Python, Foundations and Applications. We look forward to seeing you in the course.